Welcome to our newest episode of Update from Berlin. The Bundestag is in session this week, so we're back to let you know what's going on in political Berlin. This week will be a busy one for Health Minister Lauterbach. First, he's introducing new bills, and there are also debates on measures introduced by the opposition parties. One of the bills he's introducing is the digital law. Frankly, it's not the best of names, but I guess naming laws isn't the main job of the health ministry, is it? In any case, the act aims to increase the use of the electronic patient file and mandatory use of the electronic prescription. Further development of other electronic or digital tools in healthcare is also part of the bill. For example, the use of video calls for primary care doctors should be increased. Lauterbach is also introducing the Health Data Act, which aims to legislate the use of health-related data and make sharing of certain data by health insurance providers with certain other actors easier. The opposition Left Party is introducing a measure that calls for the use of electronic patient file for the good of the insured. Another area that's front of mind for Germany's parliamentarians is the economy. Here, the government is hoping to see changes to the energy industry law passed. The Bundestag and parliamentarians will debate a measure by the CDU-CSU group that wants to make the Net Zero Industry Act a catalyst for Germany's industry. Something else that CDU-CSU is pushing for is to make the Bundestag's vote on the digital euro binding. In committees, we're seeing numerous debates. The Health Committee is having public hearings, including one on the cannabis law. The Finance Committee will have hearings on various measures, including corporate taxation and energy storage. And the Climate and Energy Committee, as well as the Construction Committee, will debate a law on heat planning. Obviously, there are many more hearings, including in the Traffic, Environment, and the Economics Committee. Looking towards Brussels, the European Parliament is in session this week. It's looking at the energy union, cars and trucks, as well as data. There are also various ministerial meetings this week. For example, the ministers for space will meet. The Eurogroup is also meeting, as is the ECOFIN Council. On the judicial front, the German Federal Administrative Court will hold oral arguments in a case where a city purchased parts of a larger property, and the ECJ will issue its decision on how much access to information concerning repairs and service of a vehicle needs to be provided under EU regulation. That's it for this week. As always, leave a like and/or a comment and share this video with your friends and colleagues.